The market has shifted completely today. Prices crashed down. People are panicking. Analysts dropped their signals. Almost $2.2 billion wiped out in just 24 hours. Donald Trump just changed everything. However, some analysts shed some light at the end of the tunnel. Shytoshi Kusama just hinted something massive, and this might be the turning point that Shiba Inu needs. What is happening? How will all of these make sense? What on earth am I even talking about? Well, let me explain. Disclaimer. Today's not looking great for Shiba Inu. The price took a huge hit, dropping by almost 20%. It did manage to bounce back a little, but it's still down by about 13%. This has really shaken up the community because just a few days ago, Shiba Inu was looking super strong. The price was rallying, and everyone thought it was finally making a real comeback. But today, it's feeling less hopeful. And it's hard to say if that recovery is in the cards just yet. One analyst really nailed it with the explanation. With Shiba Inu's price dropping below the 200 EMA, which is a key support level, it's in one of its most critical spots right now. This move has sent Shiba Inu back to where it was earlier in the year, erasing months of gains. People are now worried that it could slip even lower and lose another digit off its price. The situation's tough because there isn't much support around to stop further drops. With the price well into bearish territory and no buying pressure in sight, there's a real chance Shiba Inu could keep falling. If it doesn't bounce back soon, it could slide toward a major psychological threshold. And if it goes even lower, we could see that dreaded drop to a new, even smaller price, which could signal a big sell-off. Things are looking pretty shaky right now. One analyst even hinted at a crucial level that Shiba Inu really needs to hold on to if it's going to keep fighting. According to them, Shiba Inu is currently in what's called Macro Wave 3, a phase where the price has key support levels between two important price points. As of now, it's seen a massive decline over the last day and week. Despite the tough dip, the analyst says there's still hope for a comeback if Shiba Inu can maintain those crucial support levels. The good news, though, is that Shiba Inu might still be in a larger bullish trend, according to a theory. This theory suggests that the current phase, Wave 3, could still be one of the strongest in the cycle, even though it retraced further than expected. If Shiba Inu can hold those support zones, the analyst believes there's a good chance of a major rebound. In fact, they're expecting a strong rally from this point. Right now, though, Shiba Inu's price is still quite a bit off from its highest point, meaning there's still a long way to go before it can reach those earlier peaks. So, while things are a bit rocky right now, it's not entirely over for Shiba Inu. If it can hold on to those key levels, it might have a shot at bouncing back. The vibe really shifted today, with people and investors getting a bit skeptical about what to do next. Should they buy the dip, or are they thinking of just cutting their losses and bailing out? It's been the talk of the day with a lot of uncertainty floating around. So you might be wondering, what's going on here? Why is all this happening? And what's causing this sharp price drop? Well, when you zoom out and look at the bigger picture, it seems like the whole market's in a bit of a meltdown. And believe it or not, Donald Trump's recent actions have something to do with it. He announced some hefty tariffs on countries like Canada, China, and Mexico, and that sent shockwaves through the global market. Bitcoin and other altcoins have taken steep dives, and there's been a huge wave of liquidation as traders and investors react to the growing fears of a potential trade war between the US and these major countries. It's barely even February, and Bitcoin's already dropped by a significant percentage. The largest cryptocurrency has definitely felt the heat, along with the rest of the market, as fears about these new tariffs have sent the US dollar soaring, causing a ripple effect across the board. The value of the dollar has surged against the Chinese yuan, and it's also hitting record highs against the Canadian and Mexican currencies. This spike in the dollar has really hurt risk assets like cryptocurrencies. Bitcoin's price plummeted to a pretty low point today, dragging the rest of the market down with it. Altcoins have been hit hard too, and the overall crypto market saw a huge dip in value. It's been a tough day for traders, with a whopping $2.2 billion wiped out as positions got liquidated in just 24 hours. Ethereum, for example, saw a major drop, and its traders felt the brunt of it, with nearly $500 million in positions being wiped out in the past 24 hours. And then there's Bitcoin, which also saw a big spike in liquidations, with hundreds of millions of dollars disappearing from the market. After this steep correction, there's been a massive hit to long positions, leaving many bulls facing significant losses. Now, how does all this connect back to Shiba Inu? Well, Shiba Inu is riding the same market waves. When Bitcoin and the broader crypto market crash, altcoins like Shiba Inu usually feel the impact too. So, while it's a tough time for Shiba Inu, it's really part of a larger trend affecting the entire crypto space, driven by global economic tensions and fears. But hold on a minute. It seems like we might not need to worry too much. According to veteran trader Peter Brandt, even though Bitcoin keeps dropping, it's not all doom and gloom. There's still hope for a bullish trend. With over 50 years of experience in financial markets, Brandt made an interesting point. He said that even if Bitcoin were to fall below $80,000, it could still be in a bullish phase for him. According to Brandt, we're seeing a lot of fear, uncertainty, and doubt right now, which often pops up during times like these. But that doesn't mean it's the end of the road for Bitcoin and the whole crypto space. While this might not be a prediction, he believes that even if Bitcoin drops below $80,000, it doesn't automatically mean we're heading into a full-blown bear market. Well, if Bitcoin is still in a bullish trend, even with its current struggles, it could mean that the whole market has a shot at recovery. So, if Bitcoin manages to turn things around and get back on track, Shiba Inu could very well benefit from that positive momentum too. While things may look rough right now, there's still potential for a bounce back if Bitcoin holds on to its bullish stance. And here's the kicker. One analyst has made a bold prediction about Shiba Inu's future. If the market plays out just right, they believe Shiba Inu could reach a price that would see it eliminate 2 zeros from its current value. The analyst has set a target of around 1 cent for Shiba Inu, assuming that other meme coins hit their own significant milestones. Hitting that 1 cent target would be a massive surge for Shiba Inu, requiring a jump of over 5,000% from where it stands now. If Shiba Inu were to reach that level, its market cap would skyrocket to a staggering $589 billion. To put it into perspective, a $1,800 investment in 100 million Shiba Inu today could be worth around $100,000 if Shiba Inu reaches that goal. That said, there's no set timeline for when this could happen. Some experts, like those at Changli, think it could take until 2033 for Shiba Inu to hit the 1 cent mark, while others, like Telegaon, believe it might take until 2035. And here's the thing. There might be some good news coming on the horizon, especially when you consider how bullish Trump has been about crypto. He's been pretty vocal about his support, even promising that he'll do some big things for the crypto space. He's talking about ideas like creating federal Bitcoin reserves, and has even hired a pro-crypto guy to lead the SEC. With all these moves, it seems like crypto's future is looking a lot brighter. So with that in mind, there's really no need to worry too much. What's even more exciting is that Shiba Inu isn't just another meme coin with no real use or value. Shiba Inu has a strong use case, and the Dev team is always working hard to unlock its full potential for the community. They're not sitting around waiting for things to happen. They're actively building. And here's the really exciting part. Shytoshi Kusama, the enigmatic leader of Shiba Inu, recently hinted that something major is in the works. On February 1st, he shared a short video that got everyone talking. The 23-second clip teases an upcoming update that could change everything for the Shiba Inu ecosystem, and possibly even the entire crypto world. Of course, Shytoshi didn't spill the beans completely, responding with a cryptic zipper mouth emoji, which suggests that while the team has something big in the works, they're not quite ready to reveal the details yet. But if this teaser is anything to go by, there's a lot to look forward to for Shiba Inu, and the future could hold some game-changing developments. So, while there's some uncertainty in the market, with the Shiba Inu team doing their thing and Trump backing crypto, there's a lot to be hopeful about. And when it comes to the long term, it's always good to stay positive. Just like Lucy, a prominent member of the Shiba Inu community, shared in her latest tweet. She said, "We can't always control the storm, but we can decide whether to dance in the rain or let it drown us." It's a powerful reminder that even when things are tough or uncertain, it's all about how we react to the situation. For Shiba Inu, this means even when the market's down or things feel unpredictable, the community can choose to stay hopeful and keep pushing forward. The devs are still working hard behind the scenes, and with updates on the way, there's always a chance for a comeback. So, like Lucy said, we might not control everything, but we can certainly choose to stay positive and ride out the storm. But what is your opinion on this? Comment down below. If you are curious to find more, then make sure to click on one of the videos you see on the screen. And with that, we come to the end of this video. If you enjoyed the video, then turn on the notifications bell on this channel. Missing an important Shiba Inu update might make you lose money, so don't risk it. Also, please share this video with as many people as possible. Let's get this news out there.